Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to review the book that is The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is an amalgamation of things. Nothing is impossible. Be positive and believe in yourself. Surround yourself with positive energy. If you are born poor, it is not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault. Almost all positive inspirational thoughts are in line with what's said in A Secret. The main theme of this book is the law of attraction always works. Every single person's believe in logic and science, because it is obvious for anyone to believe in what he sees. The Secret works in 3 easy ways. First one is you decide what really you want to achieve. In a single day we get 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts in our mind, but a winner have only one thought in their mind, that is about winning the game. So you would not achieve it until and unless you don't know what to achieve, isn't? Second one is ask universe to help. Here universe means your friends, family and your mind. Our mind is a piece of magic in this world. Our mind knows every answer. So the more you ask to universe, the more you find answers and help for achieving it. So ask loudly and freely. Third one is pretend you have already achieved it. Have you ever seen in any interview of an actor? If yes, then you might have found a common answer of questions. How did you become an actor? They all answered since their childhood they were pretending as an actor in front of a mirror in bathroom. This is called the law of attraction. That is, positive attracts positive and negative attracts negative. When you pretend the things you want to achieve is already yours, then the law of attraction works in such a manner that you are definitely going to achieve in upcoming days. We all know that when we badly want to achieve something, somehow we achieve it. But in achieving it, not only hard work, but also other factors help to achieve it. So for knowing this factor, you briefly read this book, The Secret. And I'm pretty sure you would evolve as a different person after reading this book. And some people said after reading this book that this book is waste of time and this book, The Secret and the law of attraction, not really works in real life. But I suggest that this book is only for motivating you. And the techniques given in this book helps you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. But that does not mean that this book is going to do hard work for you. So this book is only for motivating you, and I'm pretty much sure that after reading this book, you will be a positive person. And this book really helps you to achieve your goals and help to face challenges in your life. So friends, please join me on this journey and I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, then do consider by hitting a like button to my video and press the bell icon for latest update and never miss an update, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you.